All right, so I finally made it to the airport in Alexandria, and it is actually not that bad. But for today's video, we're gonna be talking about why it's important to actually take a pass, go on leave, and go somewhere and get out of your organization, your footprint. So for today, I'm going to see my friend Cassidy and Bryce, and I met these two in Korea. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know them, but I'm so excited. We're going to Charleston, and you know, it's gonna be an amazing trip. I'm here in Folly Beach, South Carolina, 4th of July weekend, and you know, a lot of people in the military, they tend to just work themselves to death. 06 in the morning for PT, all the way to 2200. They think they gotta go, but you know what, at the end of the day, we're all getting paid. And you know, it really hit me one time when one of my old commanders high up was like, I asked him, I was like, sir, Lieutenant West, I'm the XO of blah, blah, blah company. I was like, what time do you go home from work? And he was like, I go home 1700, 5 o'clock p.m. every day. Latest 1730. And he was like, if you're staying past that time, then you gotta reevaluate, what's the word? Your time management. Like, what are you really doing with your time? Because this is why a lot of people don't have friends in the military, or their friendships aren't as strong. And it goes back to the family aspect too, on why some people's families deteriorate in the military. So I'm telling you guys, a work-life balance, it definitely is what you need to focus on. I'm telling you guys, when you join the military, make sure that you take care of yourself. There's gonna be a lot of stressful times, a lot of stressful leaders, a lot of stressful soldiers and people, but it's important that you find people who are on the right path in life. It's important that you find friends in the military. And you know, like I said, when you're stressed out, just remember that you're gonna go home and you're gonna sleep in your bed and you're gonna wake up and you're gonna go back to the same place again, and eventually it will all end. So don't make life more stressful than it needs to be. Go somewhere, go to Folly Beach, find cool friends that you meet in Korea, and I'm telling you guys, life will be so much better. Long story short, go to Korea, Camp Casey, find friends that you really just fuck with, make a plan, go on a trip, take a pass, 4th of July, live your best life. Like, I'm telling you right now, it will rejuvenate you so much. Last thing I got, realize that work can be stressful as fuck, but at the end of the day, you're gonna go home, you're gonna sleep in your bed, you're gonna wake up, you're gonna go back to work, and you're gonna do your thing. So don't let work stress you out. Don't let services stress you out. Don't let soldiers or leaders stress you out. Just live your best life, take trips, go to Folly Beach, South Carolina. With that being said, I hope everyone has a blessed day. No matter where you are in the world, I'm in South Carolina, living my best life right now. Honestly, I'm gonna make this my job someday. I'm gonna travel. Just wait on it. All right.